Hello, Brian here, and I'm gonna make a video of how to make a microwave. So enjoy the video. So first, you're gonna need this kind of shape, and then oh, oops, and you need to dig this part out right here. Good. So first, get your white clay or something, put it right here, and then get something else. You put it right here. They get this. This is gonna have to be 4 blocks high. You can choose any block, like like wood, cobblestone, or even dirt. There. Now you need a furnace and copper and this. So first you put the furnace right here. You put this right here, and then you need to get your dispenser. Sorry. And then right here. Get 2 more hoppers, and you put it like this. The second, you get your redstone stuff. Like this. Get this right here. See? And then if you want something like when your food is done cooking, you can like put a sound. So you put right here. You can put any sound like this one's perfect for me. This is the one I like. So now let's test it. There. Voila. Okay, now what else you need? And you're gonna need to cover this up. Don't forget to fuel your furnace. There. And cover this up. Then I'm gonna get my wood. Put this right here. Then you're gonna need to get 3 iron trapdoors. This. This. And you can put something on top of the microwave. Like this. Then you need 2 levers behind the microwave. And then turn them. Ta-da! Then what else you need? You can use this as decoration. I like this picture. That works, I guess. And now you can test it out with something. Like what? Oh, you can see through this. They change it. You can block behind this. Let's put this is put dirt. There. Now let's test it out. Right, well, right here. Oops, I missed. Let's play again. There. Okay, and it will light up if it's cooking. See, it makes a sound and it gives you cook stuff. Let's try that again. 3. Yay. Okay, and that will be the end of the video. So I hope you enjoyed, and make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Make sure you comment comment below and tell me if this was useful. Also, read the description. And thanks for watching. See you guys next time.